Good morning. Today's lesson is compare prices. You have it on your textbook pages 240 and 241. From the name of the lesson, I think that you can guess what's our lesson about. Compare prices. It means that we have items and I want to compare the prices or the cost of these items. So why do we comparing it? What is the benefit from this? I think that it's obvious for you that to compare prices, it means that I will get the most economic for me. I will get the one which is most cheap for me, more cheap, so it will be better to buy it. Yes, so this lesson I can use it on my real life. Let's start by one example. For example, here we have Oreo. For example, I want you to consider that you went to a supermarket and you want to buy some Oreo biscuits. Which one you will choose? You have two offers. The first offer tell you that you have 12 packs and the 12 packs together with $7.2. The other offer tell you that 10 packs you can buy together with $6.8. What do you think? Which one is best for you to buy? Which one is more cheap? Let's see how can we do this by math and how math can help me to get the answer here. First, I will see the one with the 12 packs. To compare them, it means I want to know the cost of one Oreo here with the cost of one Oreo in this pack. Then I can compare, because I cannot compare while the numbers are different. Yes? Okay. How can I get the cost of one Oreo here? One pack just. How can I get it? I have 12 packs for 7.2. It means $7.2 to 12 packs. It's equal to what? If the 12 packs, I want to make it just one pack to know the price of it. The price of one pack will be what? How to get it? Do you remember the cross multiplication? Yes, it means 1 times 7.2 divide by 12 will give me this number, the missing one, which is the cost of one only. So it means I will divide 7.2 by 12. Let's make the division together. 7.2 divided by 12. Is 7 is enough? No, 0. The decimal on the same place. I have now 72 divided by 12 will give me 6. Then multiply 6 multiplied by 12 will give me 72. So I'm done. So the answer here is 0.6. What is the meaning of the answer is 0.6? It means, let me erase for you this one, so you will not have a lot of writing. Okay. So this means that the one pack will cost 0.6 in this offer. Clear? Now let's see the other offer to compare them. On the other offer we have what? I have 10 packs for 6.8. It means 6.8 over 10 or 210. It's like a rate, yes? I'm comparing two numbers together. 6.8 to 10 equal to what? To 1. Why this one I did it 1? Because I wanted the cost of one Oreo just here in this offer. Okay, so the number instead of 10 I did it 1. So what will be the cost in this case? What will be the price? In this case also I will make the cross multiplication. So 1 times 6.8 is 6.8. Divide by 10. Do you remember how to divide by 10? Yes, move the decimal one place to the left. So it will be 0.68. So now I have the cost of 1 in this offer. Now can I compare? Yes. Here in this offer I have 0.6. The cost of 1 is $0.6. In this offer the cost of 1 will be 0.68. Which one is more cheap? Which one will be better to buy it? Yes, it means that here this offer is the best. Yeah, why? Because this cost is smaller. The price here is less than the other price. Okay, What I call this form, the 0.6 over 1, we call it what? I call it unit price or unit cost. So from this situation or from this example, we can tell that the unit price, it means the price of one item only. So again, the unit price is what? It's the price of one item only. Like here also, I have the price of one item only. So this one I call it unit price. So to compare two prices, if you have a lot of items and or offers, different offers, and you want to compare, I can compare by using the unit price. So the meaning of the unit price is the cost of one unit of an item, and we use it to compare the prices. So again, the unit prices, this is the cost of one unit. It means the number of items, I will make it one and see the cost of this one will be what. Then I can compare the prices. Let's see another example. Here cereal is on sale this week. So what is the offer? 2 boxes for $5. It means if you get 2 boxes, you will pay $5. What is the unit price? What is the meaning of unit price? It means the price or the cost of one unit of my item. My item here is the cereal. 1 unit of it will cost what? The 2 cost 5. So 1 will cost what? How to make it? Listen. Always, if you want to put this one as a rate, you will put the money first. The money is 5. 5 to what? 5 to 2. $5 to 2 cereals. Yes? Equal to. Now I will put the unit price. Unit price mean the number of items, I will make it 1. So the cost on this case will be 1 multiply 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2, how to get this one? Do you remember? Here it is 5 divided by 2 will give me 2, multiply it 4, subtract, you will have 1. Then put decimal, add 0. So 10 divided by 2 will give 5. So the answer is 2.5. So here the cost of one of the cereal will be 2.5. So the unit price is $2.5 per cereal. So how to write the unit price or the unit cost? You will write the cost per the item that you want to buy. So 2.5 per cereal, or for example 3 per a pound of bananas, for example 2 per book, and so on. You will put the price per the item that you will buy. This is the way of writing your unit price. I want you to notice something here. When I wanted to get this number, we did what? I did 1 multiply 5, then I divided by 2. Always here I have 1. So why I'm multiplying by 1? No need. So just divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? So if I want to get the unit price, divide the cost here, $5, by the number of items. 5 divided by 2. Also, we did the same on the previous one. If you want to see, let's go back. Here, I did 7.2. Let me, erase for you all of this. Yes. Here I did what? Here I did 7.2 divide by 12. So the money divide by the total number of the items. Here I did 6.8 divide by 10. Also the money or the cost or the price divide by the total number of items. Okay, let's go back again. So after we finish this one, the conclusion is how to get the unit price. The total price divided by the total units will give you the unit price. And how the unit price will help? because if you have many items and you wanna compare them, you have to get the unit prices. Compare by using the unit price. Okay, now I want you to open the page 241 on your textbook and be ready to solve with me by your pencil. Okay, ready? Let's start. The first question is, a 5-pound bag of red potatoes cost 3.45. Sorry, back is. Here is the pencil. A 5-pound bag of red potatoes cost $3.45. An 8-pound bag of white potatoes cost $4.4. Use these information for exercises 1 to 3. Okay, let's start by question number 1. What is the unit cost for red potato? Unit cost, it means the cost of one only of the red potato. Okay, let's see the red potato. We said that we got 5 pounds of red potato and the cost was 3.45. I told you we'll divide what by what to get the unit cost. Yes, you will divide the money or the cost, 3.45, divided by what? Divide it by the total number of items. We here have 5 pounds, so divide by 5. So again, the rule to get the unit cost, you will divide the price by the total number of items. 3.45 divided by 5. 3.45 divided by 5. Let's remember together how to make the division. The decimal, I will raise it up in the same place. 3 divided by 5, not enough, so 0. Then 34 now divided by 5 will give me 6. Multiply it, you will have 30. Subtract 4, bring down the 5. 45 divided by 5 will give 9. 9 multiply 5 is 45. Subtract 0, so the answer is 0.69. So the unit cost here is 0.69. I will say $0.69 and I will stop. No, per pound bag. So this cost for what you have to tell. So after you get your unit cost and you finish your division, the way of writing it is price per item. Again, remember it, price per item. So the price, then the word per, then the item that you want to buy. Okay, let's make another one. I will erase this for you to do another one. Question number 2. What is the unit cost for white potatoes? Okay, I will go to the white potatoes. How many did we buy from it? 8. This is the number of items. Then the cost, 4.40. How to get the unit cost? Yes, the total cost, 4.40. Divide by number of items. Divide by 8. Okay, also we will make the division. 4.40 divide by 8. Let's start the division, the decimal up. 4 divide 8 we cannot. 44 divide 8 will give me 5. 5 multiply 8 is 40. Subtract 4, the 0. 40 divided by 8, 5 multiply 8, 40. Subtract 0, so the answer is 0.55. So $0.55. Okay, so price per item. What is the item that we're buying? Pound bag, and you can complete, I don't have a space here, of the white potatoes. Clear the unit cost for the white potatoes? Okay, let's erase it. Then, which bag is better to buy. Explain how you know. Which bag is better to buy? We got the unit cost for the red potato. The cost here was let me write $0.69. Yes, this is the unit cost. And for the white potato, when we did the division, it was 0.55. So now I want to compare which one is better to buy, which one is less. How to compare by the decimal? Start from the decimal point, go to the right. Beside it here 6, beside it here 5. Which one is less, 5 or 6? 5. So this is the best to buy. No need to compare the rest of the numbers. Okay, so this one is the best to buy, so the white potato is the best to buy. How did I know? By comparing the unit cost for each type of the potatoes. The next type of questions. The pan, yes. Find the unit price for each. So the first step, I want to get the unit price. The same if I said unit price or unit cost. Then compare to decide which is the better to buy. So I will get the unit price. Then I will compare the unit prices to see which one is best to buy. Again, the rule how to get the unit price: divide the cost divided by the number of items. So let's see question number 4. The cost for here, I have 2 types of packs. I can get 4 envelopes together with $1.8, or another pack which is 6 envelopes together by $2.4. Which one is best for me, to buy the 4 envelopes or the 6 envelope? It means I have to get the price of 1 envelope on this pack, compare it with the price of 1 envelope on this pack to see which one is more cheap. So here, to get the unit cost on the first one, it means I will divide 1.8 divided by 4. 1 divided 4 we can't. Then the decimal. Now 18 divided by 4 will give 4. 4 multiply 4 is 16. Subtract, we will have 2. Put down the 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 0.45. Let's erase here. The other one, 6 envelopes for 2.40. It means the cost is 2.40. And I want to divide it by 6. To divide by 6 we can't. The decimal. 24 divided by 6 will give me 4. Multiply it 24. Then subtract 0. So we have 0.4. Also, let me erase for you this. So now to compare them, which one is more cheap, which one is more expensive for you? Here, $0.45 or $0.4. Which one is best? Yes, how to compare? I told you. Start from the decimal. What's beside the decimal? 4. What's beside the decimal here? 4. Then next to 4, 5. Here next to 4, zeros. So this one, yes, the cost of this one is less. So the 6 envelopes is better to buy it. Okay, so the first step, you will write the unit price. The unit price for the 4 envelopes is $0.45 per envelope. This is the way of writing the unit price. $0.45 per envelope. The unit price of the other one, $0.4 also per envelope. It means each envelope will cost this. So this is the first step. You have to write this unit price, this unit price. Then I will compare to tell which one will be better to buy, and I will say the 6 envelopes is better. Clear now how to answer this one, and the rest by the same way. Now let's see the problem solving and how to answer it. Use the list of ticket prices for exercises 14 to 15. Number 14. Madeline buys a roll of 12 tickets at the county fair. Gemma buys a roll of 25 tickets. Who pays the lower price per ticket? Okay. To compare the two prices, it means I have to get the price of one ticket for Madeline and the price of one ticket for Gemma. Okay, so I will get the unit price for Madeline, and I will get also the unit price for Gemma. How to get the unit price, for example, for Madeline? It means that, let's see the 12 tickets here for what? $9. So you will divide 9 by 12 and you will get the unit price. But for Gemma, she got 25 tickets. It means that you will get 17.75 and you have to divide it by number of items, mean number of tickets. So you will divide it by 25, you will get the unit price. Then you will compare the two unit prices. You can do the calculations by yourself, and the answer you will have it on the key answer that I'm putting for you. Okay girls, I hope that you understood the lesson. Let me remind you quickly, if I want to get or if I want to compare two prices, I should get the unit price. How I get the unit price? By dividing the total cost by number of items.